Welcome back, Krownless Kids, to another episode of Painting with Krownless Kids. And today's episode is lesson number 3. We'll be doing advanced detail. Detail is about adding the finishing touch to your product to make sure it really comes to life. The first thing that we want to do is apply paints to our paint holder. Now what I'm going to be doing is adding some detail to it. In detail, you got to get real in depth with the solid colors that you have on your canvas. So I'm going to be using white to go over some of the black for my microphone to shine. Make sure your paint is dry when you go to layer a second layer on your paint. If the paint seems to be wet, the bottom layer, you want to blow on it and try to wait 5 minutes till it dries till you add another depth and layer. That's part of the detail. All right, and there you have it. Thank you guys for tuning in for the latest episode of Painting with Krownless Kids.